This is your 2025 St. Patrick's Day Parade and celebration, sponsored by Rustic Rebel, where sass meets style. Sip barista coffee, shop snarky gifts, and explore handmade local finds from veteran-owned businesses. Amsterdam Mercantile and Farm Market, candy shop, gifts, arts and crafts, antiques, and Amish furniture. We celebrate St. Patrick's Day to honor St. Patrick and to celebrate Irish heritage and culture. Plain Jane's Soap and Such, artisan soaps, gifts, man cave items, custom tumblers, and more. Ridgetop Alpacas, where everything is made from or related to alpacas, from yarn and wool products to cute and cuddly alpacas, this is Ridgetop Alpacas. Alice on Main, barber and hair stylist. A fun place to get your hair done and an assortment of hair products. In Amsterdam, even the dogs are Irish. Cummings Trucking Service. When you need product moved, we're hauling it for you. And FacetAir.com video, photo, and drone services. Now let's dive into our 2025 St. Patrick's Day celebration.
Happy St. Patrick's Day!
Happy St. Patrick's Day!
Welcome to Amsterdam, Missouri, our little town with a big heart. Founded in the late 19th century, Amsterdam was built on hard work, agriculture, and a sense of community that's as strong as a fresh brewed cup of Irish breakfast tea. While it may not be as famous as its European namesake, this town knows how to throw a celebration. And today, we're painting the town green. Now, St. Patrick's Day isn't just about wearing green and debating whether or not corned beef and cabbage is really an Irish dish. Spoiler alert, it's more of an Irish-American thing, but hey, we love it anyway. Here is GW, our special guest. At 97 years young, GW is the oldest living resident of Amsterdam. And today, on St. Patrick's Day, we celebrate not just his incredible longevity, but a lifetime of love, family, and community. We celebrate to honor St. Patrick, the patron saint of Ireland, who, legend has it, drove the snakes out of Ireland. And while we can't confirm the whole snake banishing part, what we do know is that St. Patrick spread faith, unity, and a love for all things Irish, and that's worth raising a pint. Today, whether you've got Irish roots that go all the way back to the Emerald Isle, or you just found out you're 0.03% Irish from an online DNA test, this day is about coming together. It's about laughter, tradition, and that one cousin who insists on doing a terrible Irish accent every year. But most importantly, St. Patrick's Day is about community. It's about embracing joy, sharing a meal, or maybe a Guinness, and celebrating the fact that no matter where you're from, you're welcome at the table. After all, Irish or not, everyone's got a little luck in them today. So, wear your green, dance your jig, and remember, if you can't find the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, at least you've got good friends and great memories. And that, my friends, is worth more than gold. As the festivities wind down and the last notes of the music are played, let's carry the spirit of St. Patrick's Day with us. Joy, laughter, and just a wee bit of mischief. Remember, the Irish have a saying, "May your troubles be as few and as far apart as an Irishman's paychecks." And if that's too real, may your luck be better than his budgeting skills. So, as you head home, may your hearts be light, your friendships strong, and may you always find a rainbow after the rain. Until we meet again, may the road rise to meet you, may the wind be always at your back, and may your glass never be empty. Happy St. Patrick's Day, stay lucky, stay happy. Special thanks to the city of Amsterdam, Missouri. The sponsors of this video help to make these videos possible. Original content creation takes time, effort, and dedication. Our viewers, subscribers, and sponsors are what make these videos possible. Digital time capsules to preserve our memories for years to come. Sponsors, Rustic Rebel, Amsterdam Mercantile, Plain Jane's Soap and Such, Ridgetop Alpacas, Alice on Main, Cummings Trucking. For sponsorship opportunities, contact us at FacetAir.com.